Welcome to the Green Nest Microgreens Masterclass, focusing on Nasturtium, the peppery powerhouse for modern kitchens. Microgreens are young vegetable greens, 1 to 3 inches tall, harvested after the first true leaves appear. They offer concentrated nutrition, up to 40x more than their mature counterparts, intense flavor, and fast growth within 7 to 21 days. The Green Nest life cycle starts with organic, non-GMO seed. We ensure optimal grow conditions with pure water and light. Our harvest is done with hand-cut precision, packed in eco-safe clamshells and delivered fresh to your doorstep. The botanical name for Nasturtium is Tropiolum majus. Originating from South America, the micro leaves are a hidden culinary gem. They have a short grow time of 12 to 14 days and distinctive lily pad-shaped leaves. Nasturtium microgreens have a complex flavor profile. They are peppery, similar to radish or arugula, but with a cleaner finish. They also offer a zesty, bright, and citrusy undertone, along with a delicate, sweet floral scent that balances the spice. Why choose Nasturtium? They are great for your health, offering unmatched levels of lutein for eye health. Culinary-wise, they are a visual and flavor showstopper. Economically, they offer high impact in small quantities, and environmentally, vertical farming saves 95% more water. Nasturtium microgreens are a dense source of vitamins and minerals, containing significantly higher concentrations of antioxidants than mature leaves. Key stats include vitamin C for immunity, vitamin A for skin and vision, and iron for energy levels. Per 100 grams, Nasturtium microgreens provide 130 milligrams of vitamin C for immune support, 5,000 IU of vitamin A for eye health, and 45 milligrams of lutein for blue light protection. They also contain 1.2 milligrams of iron for blood oxygenation and just 25 kilocalories. Nasturtium boasts a 100% high-density vitamin C concentration index, compared to spinach at 45% and lettuce at 15%. A handful of Nasturtium provides more vitamin C than a massive bowl of lettuce. There are 6 ways to elevate your cooking with Nasturtium. Use them as a high-end garnish, blend them into smoothies, replace limp lettuce in sandwiches, blitz them into a peppery pesto, fold them into omelets, or add them to pizza after baking. For an Indian twist, try Nasturtium thecha, pulse with garlic and chilies. Use Nasturtium as a dal tadka topping instead of coriander for a peppery finish. Garnish paneer tikka with the microgreens for a cool, peppery crunch. To maintain crispness, store Nasturtium microgreens in the veggie crisper at 4 to 7 degrees Celsius. Do not wash until consumption and keep them in the breathable clamshell packaging. Expect a shelf life of 7 to 10 days. To place an order, simply message your name and location to 7,972,475,135 to receive our weekly harvest menu. We deliver fresh every Tuesday and Friday. Our hyper-local farming in the heart of the city significantly reduces food miles. We use organic practices, no pesticides, no chemical runoff, and 100% compostable growing medium while working towards NABH-aligned quality protocols. Our clients love us. Chef Rahul notes, the color and kick are unmatched. Ananya appreciates that our high-quality greens stay fresh in the fridge. Dr. Mehta, a health coach, recommends Green Nest for its transparency and nutrient density. Let's address some frequently asked questions. Nasturtium is peppery like radish, not chili. Our seeds are 100% non-GMO organic. They last up to 10 days refrigerated. A light rinse is optional as they are grown in a clean room. Kids can enjoy them, and delivery is free for orders above 500 rupees. Ready to elevate your meals? Scan the QR code or WhatsApp us at 7,972,475,135 to get started with Green Nest microgreens, the fresh, local, and powerful addition to your kitchen.